show LED TV panel repair without bonding machine. This video is very important for all technicians, so don't skip the video. This process name is panel repair bypass method. Separate the panel from the body. This IC name is DC to DC IC. At first, check the VGA voltage. VGA voltage and other signal check on the T-con board. It is side cuff. At now need cuff datasheet. This symptom is VGA missing. Panel cuff datasheet VGA VGL become. Remove insulation on side cuff VGA point. VGA voltage is not right on side cuff. At now join T-con VGA and cuff VGA supply. T-con VGA supply. Operation is success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share.